Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to achieve thick, natural looking brows using products from one of my favorite brands, RevitaLash Cosmetics. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. I'm really excited for this week's video because we're obviously doing something a little bit different. This video kind of piggybacks off of a IG live that I did several weeks ago with one of my friends, and we were putting on makeup, chit-chatting, and in the video I was talking about how I like to keep my brow routine super simple and low maintenance, and she was like, yeah, you have brow privilege. And I was like, brow privilege? What? I have been working really hard to get my brows back to a good place. So for me, I don't think that it's necessarily brow privilege. I mean, back in the day, I used to have some really beautiful, thick, voluminous brows when I was like 12. But now, after years of waxing, plucking, tweezing, threading my brows, they have never been the same. So actually I stopped doing any of that to my brows for almost a year now, and instead I've just been focusing on my brow health and also just doing a more natural, full look when it comes to my brows. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use my favorite products from RevitaLash Cosmetics. I've mentioned them a few times in my past videos, in some of my Get Ready With Me videos or any of my other makeup tutorials. I think I actually mentioned them in my skincare video as well. I love their products, and the great thing about RevitaLash Cosmetics is that they make an array of products not only for sculpting and the appearance of your brows when you wear makeup or if you want to do a no makeup look, but they also have products that are meant to help with your brow health. Overall, their brand is all about healthy hair, and I'm really happy to say that I have definitely seen the benefits of their products, and I'm really excited to give you a deeper dive into them so that you can try them for yourself. So without further ado, the first thing that I'm going to get into is a simple step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved these thick yet natural looking brows, and walking you through how I use each of these products to get the brow look that I have right now. After that, we're going to go through their RevitaBrow conditioner, and I'll tell you more about that after the tutorial, but let's just say it is definitely one of my secret weapons. And one last thing before we get into this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. All right, let's get into it. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the High Def Tinted Brow Gel. So this is my absolute favorite brow gel because it's literally a 3-in-1. It helps us sculpt, shape, and hold my brows in place. And it comes in 3 different colors: soft brown, dark brown, and clear. The first thing that I always do is brush my brows in an upward motion, following the natural arch of my eyebrows. This helps me when I'm actually arching the brows so that I can get a more accurate look. I feel like a lot of our problems would be solved if we just brushed our brows. The next product I'm going to use is the High Def Brow Pencil. This is going to help me to go in and really detail my brows and make it look a lot more realistic. So what I'm going to do are some short hair-like strokes along my brow to just fill it in. For me, the middle area is really sparse, and then also towards the end. But with the ends, I'm actually going to go back in with the High Def Brow Gel. For now, just putting in these short hair-like strokes that blend in really nicely with my hair as it is. The next thing I'm gonna do is take the brow gel applicator brush. I had it dipped in the gel, so now I'm just gonna do some short upward strokes so that I can tint the brows. And this is gonna help in filling in those other areas in a realistic way to give it a more full look. I like to start from the inner to the outer corners to help sculpt and define my brows to give them a more full and lush appearance. Now, this is the part that scares everyone, but really makes the most impact. I like to get my favorite concealer that's in a slightly lighter color than my skin tone and help create the illusion of an arch. You don't need to be a makeup guru to do this part. Just get a small eyeshadow brush and outline the bottom and the top end of your brow. I don't go around the entire thing because I don't want my brows to look artificial. Instead, all I'm trying to do is make sure I get that highlight so that you can get, again, the illusion of an arch and really clean up and shape your brows. So now I'm taking the brow gel brush head and I'm sculpting my brows. I'm creating the shape here and using the concealer as a guide in a way. And now once I've created that shape, then I'm gonna go in and just gently blend in that concealer. We wanna blend it in because, again, we want a natural look. Voila, there you have it. That is my super simple, natural looking brow routine. And I hope that it was helpful and informative for you. And before I go, there's one more product by RevitaLash Cosmetics that I want to talk about. And it's their RevitaBrow Advanced Eyebrow Conditioner. I am obsessed with this little item right here. I put it on every night before bed, just swiping it onto my eyebrows after I've washed my face and done my skincare routine. It's actually the last step to my skincare routine these days. And essentially, this is an award-winning serum that is supposed to help strengthen and keep your brows healthy and prevent breakage. So I love this serum because of the fact that eyebrow health to me, as you know from the beginning of the video, is super important. And all of their products are cruelty-free, so you know that you're not putting anything crazy on your eyebrows to help strengthen them. And just a few swipes of this, and I do honestly feel my brows have been so much more healthy as of late. Not only does this serum help with keeping your brows healthy from the inside out, but it also helps with the appearance, and it makes your brows look shinier. They're more flexible than they were before. I'm just obsessed with this serum. And if you're someone who is looking to regain that health and strengthen your brows, I highly, highly recommend it. So there you have it. I love me some RevitaLash Cosmetics. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful and informative, and that it can in some way positively impact your eyebrow journey. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.